When it comes to merchandising fresh prepared meals, packaging appeal is just as important as the look of the food itself. LK's Ready Fresh line of packaging for food retailers and food service operators includes a consistent, natural-looking design for a cohesive, private label look in hot or cold cases across the deli, bakery, and produce sections of supermarkets, convenience stores, and even restaurant shops. The Ready Fresh sample kit gets you a closer look at the product line and gives you a head start on presenting the Ready Fresh possibilities to others. Let's take a look at the Ready Fresh sample kit with Isaac to quickly learn how to assemble the rigid containers in the line. First up, we have rigid containers with hinged lid. We have provided two sizes, large and medium. These containers are equipped with a secure closing and reclosing system, with and without labels. The clear anti-fog lid, made of PET, is attached to the base for easy handling. See the printed craft effect on this coated paperboard that provided superior leak protection. Next up, we have our Ready Fresh Composta multi-food to-go box. Made of material for a craft look and feel, this box provides excellent product protection and presentation for side dishes, salads, and other fresh prepared foods. Here's our Ready Fresh salad pack. The clear anti-fog window provides excellent product visibility and protection. To securely close the box, fold down the side tabs, then the front tab. The top comes over and you will fold down the top side tabs, which then neatly slide into the side tab slots. The top of the box has two tabs that close into the slots just like that. Now here are a few Ready Fresh boxes with separate lids. We offer three sizes, large, medium, and small. Built to merchandise a variety of deli items or side dishes, the clear anti-fog windowed lid provides superior product visibility and protection, while the base continues to convey the craft look and contiguous Ready Fresh design element. To secure the lid, fold out the snap lock tabs on all four sides of the box. The lid pushes down on top, providing a secure fit. Here we have our Ready Fresh Composta snack containers. We offer three versions: a sandwich box, a wrap box, and a pizza box. Each container comes flat packed. To assemble the sandwich box, start by opening it up and sliding the front into the center, tucking the tabs, folding the cover over, and sliding the cover tabs securely into the slot. To assemble the wrap box, start by opening it up. Fold the side tabs, fold the top flap down, slide the tuck tab into the slot. To assemble the pizza box, start by opening it up and fold the back tabs in and over. Tuck the front tab inside, fold the top over, and secure the top tuck tab into the slot. We hope you are now better oriented with your Ready Fresh sample kit and able to assemble the products yourself for presentations and testing. Of course, if you have any questions or would like to order additional product samples, please contact your local LK representative or visit our website at lkpkg.com.